homework isn't very good.
Yes, it is. Look at my homework. Where do your aunts and uncles live?
They live here. In India.
Do they speak English?
No, they speak Hindi.
My cousins live here, in Sydney, in Australia. They're on the website. Look. Welcome to my page about the English language. People speak English in lots of countries. Click on a picture to see one. This is about Australia. This is Australia. It's a very big country. This is Sydney. My cousins are here. It's a city with a very big harbour. And this is the Sydney Opera House. It's really cool. And here are my cousins.
It's a good web page. Thanks.
Look, here's Canada. My aunt lives there. Welcome to Canada. There are big mountains and rivers in Canada. This is Montreal. It's a big city in Canada. They speak French and English here. And this is a Canadian policeman called a Mountie. My aunt lives here in Toronto. This is her.
Hi. Ah, it's Aunt Mary. Is my camera here?
I don't know. People speak English in South Africa too. Look at this. This is South Africa. There are lots of wild animals. Giraffes, elephants, lions. And there are big cities too. Here's Cape Town. It's very beautiful. And people speak English in the USA. This is the USA, the United States of America. This is New York. Here's the Statue of Liberty. And this is Times Square. This is Broadway. There are lots of theatres. We go to New York because